Imagine you're trying to scrape thousands of products from Amazon or extracting real estate listing from Zillow only to be hit by CAPTCHAs, IP bans, and broken HTML parsers. Whether it is e-commerce, search engines, or even platforms like ChatGPT in seconds without writing complex scraping logic. So we are using Oxylabs Web Scraper API. It handles the proxy rotation across 195 countries. It renders JavaScript automatically and parses the data into clean JSON. You don't even need to know how to code to use it. So let's just jump straight into the action. So to start using Oxylabs, just go to oxylabs.io or just click on the link in description, and after that we can just sign up and start using Oxylabs. So if you want to follow along, just click on the link in description and then grab 2000 scraped results for free. No credit card needed. So here is Oxylabs dashboard. This is basically your command center, and under my products you will find your active web scraper API. The first thing that you need is API user. So you can just click on your web scraper API or any other API, and then you can just go to the user section, and here you can create a user for your API. I have already created one user. You can see this is my username and this is the date when I created this user. So you will get your username and your password in here. These credentials are really important. These are the keys to authenticate your scraping requests. Now next, let's have a look at the statistics tab. This is where you monitor your usage. You can filter by domain, you can check the ratio of rendered versus non-rendered requests, and you can even track your activity over last 90 days. So because Oxylabs uses success-based pricing, you are only charged for successful results. If a request fails due to a server error, it does not count against your quota. But the actual real magic happens inside this web scraper API playground. So if you just click on this, you can just open the web scraper API playground in here. This web scraper API playground is basically an interactive tool that lets you build, test, and refine your scraping requests directly inside your browser before you write a single line of code inside your terminal. So let us put this to the test with some real world targets. So let's suppose you're building a price monitoring tool. Scraping Amazon manually is notoriously difficult. So in the playground, you can just choose the website. I can just choose Amazon in here, or I can either choose a URL, or I can just choose a product, and then I can just choose a product ASIN number. Or what I can do, I can just click on search and I can enter a search query in here. Or in fact, we can scrape data about sellers or best sellers. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on search, and then I'm just going to enter a search query. So let's suppose I want to search wireless headphones. So I'll just enter my search query in here, and also I can set the geographic location to US. So I have just selected my geographic location. This is to ensure that it only shows the localized pricing. And there you go, you can see it has fetched all of these products in this search query, and it fetched all of these results in literally just a second. The API automatically handles Amazon's anti-bot system. It even rotates the IP, and it returns a clean JSON payload. You can see this is a clean JSON payload containing the product title, price, rating, and availability. So now you can use it for any purpose. You can feed it to your AI agent, or you can just preview these results anywhere else. And I want to scrape Google search results for SEO analysis. So again, I can choose my website. I can choose my scraper as well. I can choose directly with URL or with the search term, or in fact I can choose either ads, max, shopping URL, and even maps, and even trends as well. So what I can do, I can just search for best running shoes. I can click on submit request, and now it will just scrape data for best running shoes in here. There you go. You can see the API has returned organic rankings, ad placements, and featured snippets perfectly structured. You can even scrape Google flights just as easily. Now in the third use case, I really want to scrape real estate websites. So this is Zillow. Zillow is a famous real estate listing website inside US, and these real estate sites use heavy dynamic JavaScript rendering. So if you are using a standard HTTP request, you get a blank page. So in the playground, I can just input the Zillow URL in here, and now I can just click on this submit request, and now the API spins up a headless browser. It waits for a page to load, and then it extracts the property details, pricing history, and images as well. And there you go, you can see it has presented these results from Zillow. It took few seconds, a bit longer than our standard scraper. We have got this clean JSON payload. Now let's just test another use case, which is AI platforms, something like ChatGPT and Perplexity. So if you're building datasets for large language models, you can scrape AI platforms as well. The API handles the complex authentication and dynamic loading, allowing you to extract conversational data seamlessly. What if you do not want to deal with JSON payloads or API parameter at all? So to deal with this, you can use Oxy Co-pilot. This is Oxylabs AI-driven web scraping assistant built right into this dashboard. So inside your dashboard, you can just access this Oxy Co-pilot. You can simply just click on this. So now I can just paste my URL in here that I want to scrape, and then I can simply just click on next, and now I can just define what exactly needs to be scraped. So I can specify the scraper parameters. I can mention that extract the product name, price, and availability from this page, and also I can mention any particular browser instructions as well. I can also enable the JavaScript rendering, and here I can just specify my scraper parameters, something like scrape provided URL from United States location using a mobile user agent, and also I can enter the browser instructions as well, something like wait 5 seconds and click continue button. So I can just enter all of these instructions in here, then I can just click on next, and now I can define what information I want want to extract. So I can just ask it to extract the product name, price, and availability from this page, and then I can simply click on generate instructions. So now it is going to scrape this URL based on my instructions that I just gave it. So basically the AI analyzes the HTML structure, it generates a necessary XPath or CSS selector, and outputs the exact API request code. It is the complete hands-off. Now furthermore, you can integrate this directly inside visual automation tools inside Anytime. You can input your Oxylabs API credentials and paste the credentials generated by Oxy Co-pilot. You can schedule this workflow to run every morning. You can process the data and push it to a Google Sheet or a dataset. It is a fully automated no-code data pipeline. And that is how you extract data from any website at scale without headaches of proxy management or CAPTCHA solving. The Oxylabs Web Scraper API is fast, reliable, and incredibly easy to use, whether you are a web developer or a no-code enthusiast. Do not just take my words for it. You can just click on the personalized link in description and you can access my landing page and claim your free trial. You get up to 2,000 scraped results for free. If you have any further questions about Oxylabs or about web scraping in general, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.